Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My craft room reset, end of 2025, and we're gonna get reorganized for 2026. So my last video, I was talking about how I just moved a few months ago, and I had donated probably 75% of my crafts, my art supplies and craft supplies. I kept all my jewelry supplies, and so now what we're gonna do is reorganize the jewelry that the supplies that I have, because I am in a smaller space. So yes, even though I donated a lot of my stuff, I'm in a smaller, I have less furniture to store my stuff that I have remaining, because I got rid of the furniture as well. So anyways, this is a bin that I had already. This is the Sterilite 15 quart. It's really cool. It's got the handles, and let me get a lid here. Oops. And then the lids go on like that, and then it just snaps. So pretty cool. It holds some stuff, and it has a space here where you can stack and they don't tip over. So anyways, let's see what we can fit in here. So I bought these trays a few years ago at Dollar Tree. I don't know if they still have them. I think they were the $1.25 cost, so probably in the last year or so. But I did notice that I can fit 2 trays of beads like this, and then I can fit another tray on top like that. I can actually stack 3. I think I could probably stack 4. I only have 4 of these trays. Oh no, yeah, I only have 4 of these trays. But if I had more, I could stack probably, let's see what this one is. This was level. You could potentially stack 5 trays, and then if it was leveled off at the top, because then the lid would need to be able to fit. And that actually fits just like that. So in this box, this plastic bin, you can stack 10 of these trays from Dollar Tree. Aren't they adorable? They're perfect. They're very sturdy. They're good thick plastic. So yeah, I think at this point, I think I will just stack. Doesn't matter how they're stacked. I need to go through what each of these little trays hold. I need to separate out the colors. A lot of the beads tipped over, so I need to separate things out. And again, donate stuff that I don't use anymore. I've had a lot of this stuff for, gosh, probably 15 years. And things, you know, it's not the most expensive quality. I bought quantity at the time. I was in a jewelry making frenzy. Bracelets, stretchy bracelets, and I just went to, what was it, Michael's and Joann's? I think Joann's was the one that had all the beads lined up. Maybe Michael's too, I can't remember. I was just buying beads after string of beads, and on and on and on, and didn't use all of it. Like these are really nice. These are like little velvet hearts. So these would be cute, even if they're not strung as a bracelet or a necklace, but you can make them as a bead dangle, maybe for a bookmark or something, or for your junk journals, or just decor. You can string it and maybe string it around some lights, or string it with some lights for Valentine's Day, or even Christmas if you use just the red, or even for what's another holiday, 4th of July, Memorial Day, you know, using the red. So yeah, so I've got those in there, and I think I have about 8 of these that I used for my storage. Let's see what else I can put in. I'm gonna set this off to the side, and let's pull out another one here. So we've got that, and then I've got these beads in these trays. Bear with me. So these, I got these I can't tip it sideways. But they're really nice. They're more for like your dresser drawers, for maybe your fancy jewelry, I guess. I don't know. But I bought these, I think it was at Bed Bath & Beyond. Again, this is probably, you know, I started the beads frenzy probably, oh gosh, maybe 20 years ago. Maybe it was like 2006, 2007. So 18, 19 years ago. And I bought these back then, so I don't know if they still have them. I'm sure you can find something similar to Amazon, because Amazon didn't exist at that time. So everything was, you know, brick and mortar. What could we buy? What could we find? Okay, so these aren't gonna fit side by side, but let's see if we stacked them all the way to the top. Probably not. No, so that's not gonna work to put all of those in there. But if we just stacked the two, let's see, I've got these also. I can't remember where I got. I think I probably got these at Michael's or something, but these are just little individual jars. Look at the little eyeballs, they're all discolored. I used to use these for so many different crafts. When my kids were little, you know, they played sports and I was a team mom, and we'd make the banners, and the, you know, critters and animals on the banners would have the wiggly eyes and all that stuff. So I've got all the different sizes. I've got little charms, soccer stuff. So anyways, so we've got this container here, so maybe we can put that there. And we've got another one. It's got, again, some more little trinkets that I need to go through. I think these used to be a silver color. Now they've changed to a gold. They've tarnished, but they're still pretty. Yeah, I'm not gonna part with it because I am a crafty person. I will figure something out. Let's see, will it go this way? No, so it'll only go this way. So we've got this. Let's see. What else can we put in here? We could probably consolidate, so that way we would have just 3. So I did show that it would fit 3. Yeah, so that's what I can do. I can consolidate these beads into this one here. Let me separate, you know, see how they're all mixed up? They all tipped a little bit and got all over the place. So I have to rearrange. So I can make 3, and I can just, I don't know, use this one for something else. Who knows? Let's see, what can I put in here? I've got, let's see. Okay. So I've got, oops, still tons of stuff here. Okay. Let's see. I bought these. There was some huge bead store, I can't remember, down in San Diego years ago, probably again. So I must have started, I think this is about 2007 I bought these. It's still on the string. Oh, do you have the name of the place? It is called, no, this string was $8 from, didn't say where. Yeah, I don't have the tag of where these came from, but that's pretty good. This one was $9. They're like cracked glass. So these are a little bit different shapes. Look, gonna be pretty. So each strand was $8 or $9. That's a lot. That's pretty good. They're heavy too, so not really bracelet or necklace type. I don't know what to do with them. I bought them. Still haven't used them. So anyways, so we can lay those there. I've got, you know, wires, what else, beading stuff, different wires. So I just keep them in this little bag that I had. I think I got a candle in it for Christmas back in high school, or I don't know, a long time ago, maybe not that long ago. So I'm just kind of keep that in there. And these are just empty. Oh, I used to store my beaded bracelets in here if I gave them away as gifts. I used to do birthday parties too, and the girls at the birthday party. They're, you know, 9, 10, 11, 12 years old, maybe not that old, younger. I'd have a bead tray for them to do their bracelets on, or necklace. They could pick whatever they want to make, and I'd have an assortment. I'd have all my beads laid out. They'd make their bracelet, and then we'd go home in a little pouch like that. Or if someone bought a bracelet for a gift, I'd put it in a pouch like that. This is not mine, that's a friend of mine's. That's not mine. Oh, it's just some more beads. Some plastic beads. Didn't have a spot for them. I think, yeah, I've got a lot more. But anyway, so this is kind of an idea what I want to do with my beads. I think I'm going to put them in here. I don't have the drawer space in my little dressers that I showed you in my last video. I think I'm going to keep those more for my art supplies and my craft supplies, and keep the jewelry basically in these bins. I've got, like I said, I think I've got 8 of these. So all my jewelry will definitely fit in these, and I can just have these all stacked up, probably up next to, up against the wall. So I think that would be it for now. Once I have it all done and organized, then I will show you. I'll show you how I've cleaned up the trays and made it all organized again. This is just such a mess. And it takes a long time. An awful long time, because this is not the first time it's happened. So anyways, thanks for sticking around with me, and I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.